Do you want to conduct online exams for the remote candidate with security? Do you want to know how you can manage remote exam invigilation using technology? Today I am going to discuss or I am going to show demo of how you can conduct remote proctoring using technology. So let us check how it works. So as you can see in this scenario, candidate is appearing for the online exam and entire activity of the candidate, including whatever questions attempt and everything, is being monitored, and candidate activity is also being monitored using web camera attached to the system. So system continuously captures the photograph as well as continuous video streaming of the candidate. So in this scenario, even there is a facility of live chat available where remote proctor can initiate the live chat with the remote candidate, and remote candidate can easily respond to those live chats during exam process. There is a facility where remote proctor can also pause the online exam. So this way you can easily make online exams secure for the remote candidates without any need of physical exam invigilation process. I have logged in. Now I have logged in as a proctor. So as I have logged in as a proctor, I can see there are two candidates who are ready to start their exam. So first step I will have to do is approve if they are same candidate as per the identity card or whatever registration, you can approve it. So now I am clicking on I have logged in as a proctor and I'm clicking on photograph of that candidate. And if that photograph is not valid, then you can reject. If it is valid, then you can click on approve so that candidate can start the online exam. So in this scenario, I am approving the candidate so that candidate will be able to start the exam. And as a remote proctor, I can do the monitoring process. So as you can see, there is a message shown on the screen, current candidate approved successfully. So now that candidate will be able to start the online exam. Similarly, in a case of another candidate also, I can do the approval process based on the video streaming activity that is being shown. I can identify the candidate and I can click on approve. So that now, as you can see, both the candidates were able to start their exam. So there are three options available at this stage. You can see first option is chat. Using this live chat tool, I can do the live chat. I can initiate the live chat with the remote candidate who is appearing for the exam. I can even pause the exam or even I can terminate the exam. If we are able to find that candidate is not appearing for the exam in a proper authenticated manner, or candidate is trying to use mobile phone or books or notebooks or something, then I can as a proctor I can terminate that exam easily. So right now if I click on chat, I can easily initiate the chat for that candidate. So here I can easily do the monitoring activity. I can initiate the live chat or even I can pause the exam. So as soon as you pause the exam, candidate will receive the message that exam is being paused by the proctor. I can also, so as soon as I pause the exam, I can see there is a resume button available to resume the exam. So I can also resume the exam. I can continuously monitor the candidate, whether candidate is appearing for the exam in a proctored way or in an authenticated manner. So in the demo scenario, there are two candidates appearing for the exam. If there are 10 or 15 candidates available for the online exam, then you will be able to see all the window of each and every candidate over here. So this way I can easily monitor the remote candidates who are appearing for the exam, and I can control their exam from the remote location. I can also monitor the remote candidate using video streaming. So in this scenario, I am able to see the candidate activity. So I can see that candidate is sitting in front of this computer and appearing for the online exam. So in this case, I can easily see the background or overall surrounding associated with that candidate. And there are some auto proctoring methodologies which can help you to verify if candidate is appearing for the exam, or candidate is taking help of any mobile phone, notebook, book while appearing for the exam. So this way I can easily monitor if candidate is appearing for the exam in a authenticated or authorized manner. This way, those videos are also stored in the system, so I can also see those videos after exam completion at any given point of time. So in this scenario, you can see candidate is attempting to talk on the mobile phone. So in this case, proctor holds the right to terminate the exam of the candidate, and this can act as a evidence while attempting the online exam. So remote proctoring is very useful if you want to monitor remote candidates. Remote proctoring is a technology that can help you to simplify online examination process. We have conducted remote proctoring for many education institutes, universities, as well as corporates in order to conduct remote exams using remote proctoring with auto invigilation process. If you want to have a demo of the solution, then definitely you can contact us. We are available for your help.